Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send GIFs to someone in Discord Mobile. If you love using fun and expressive GIFs in your chats, this quick guide will help you share them in just a few taps. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and connected to the internet so everything runs smoothly. Once you're inside the app, head over to your messages. This is where all your private and group conversations appear. Next, tap on the chat with the person you want to send a GIF to. You can search their name if you have a lot of conversations, or scroll until you find it. Open the chat and wait for the text box to appear at the bottom of your screen. When you're ready to send something fun, tap on the little emoji icon right next to the typing field. You'll see a few options pop up, including emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Tap on GIFs. This is the section where you can browse through tons of animated images perfect for expressing moods, reactions, or simply making the chat more lively. From here, you can scroll through trending GIFs or use the search bar to find something specific. Type in any word or phrase like thank you, funny, or celebration, and Discord will instantly load matching GIFs for you to choose from. Once you spot the perfect one, simply tap on it. After that, Discord automatically sends the GIF directly into the chat. There's no extra confirmation needed. It's fast and